Assalamualaikum and very good morning to Madam Aisha and my fellow friends. Today we are from Group 7. We're going to present about leading, the benefit of good motivation practices toward the manager. We're going to share about component of motivation. First of all, I would like to introduce myself and my group members. First of all, we got Shabil Hadif, and then me, Muhammad Azrul, and then we got two girls, which is Nick Shahira, and then last we got Balkis. Firstly, I would like to talk about motivation. What is motivation? Motivation is taken from the Latin word mover, which means encourage or empowerment that can create a passion for one's work so that they want to work effectively, cooperate, and integrate with all efforts to achieve satisfaction. Edwin B. Flippo, it is mentioned that motivation is an expertise in directing an employee and an organization to work to succeed until the employees and goals of the organization are achieved. G.R. Terry explained that motivation is a desire in a person that stimulates him to perform various actions. Motivation can be defined as a process of arousal within an organism that help direct and sustain behavior. Motivation, too, can be defined simply as the direction and intensity of one's effort. Motivation is typically defined as the tendency for the direction and selectivity of behavior to persist until a goal is achieved. Direction of effort refer to whether an individual seeks out, approaches, or is attracted to certain situation. Intensity of effort refer to how much effort a person put forth in a particular situation. What is leading? Leading involves a source of social influence and information that you use to inspire action taken by others. If the manager is an effective leader, their subordinates will be enthusiastic about exerting effort to achieve organizational objective. Leading is an action or series of activities, and the individual plays a leadership role by using his influence on others. Example, his followers toward the achievement of goals. So, motivation can be intrinsic or extrinsic. For intrinsic motivate is layer within an individual and involve the individual's interest and enjoyment of a task. For example, a child play softball because she like the sport is intrinsic motivate. For extrinsic motivates, layer with outside in individual and involve the reward and benefit of performing a task. For example, trophy, rebound, money, and prize, and all example of extrinsic motivate. The next is benefit of good motivation practice towards the manager. Next, the benefit of good motivation practice toward the manager. First, need of satisfaction. Motivation meet the need of individual as well as group. Each individual or group of individuals join an organization to meet specific personal need. The motivational function of the manager serves to assist at the fulfillment. Second, job satisfaction. Motivation also increase job satisfaction when employer needs are met. He will be happy. Job satisfaction is more important. This is the key to other important consequences. Managers are generally satisfied with jobs that challenge to character and involve creative thinking. Third, productivity. Productiveness, the effect of performance. It is logical to conclude that the right motivation increases productivity. An individual's contribute to output is the result of two variables, namely his ability to work and his willingness to work.
Learning. Motivation helps the learning process. Without learning, motivation does not apply. There must be motivation or encouragement before there is learning. Discipline. Motivation encourages self-discipline. Dynamism. There is an element of dynamism in motivation. The kinetic energy produced has a tremendous impact not only on the productivity and profitability of the organization but also on its industrial relation, public image, stability, and future development. Next, component of motivation. What is component of motivation? First, effort. Second, needs. Third, organization goals. First, effort. Effort is a measure of intensity or drive. High level of effort are unlikely to lead to favorable job performance unless the effort is channeled in a direction that benefits the organization.
Need. A need is an internal state that makes central outcome appear attractive. An unsatisfied need creates tension that stimulates drive with an individual. This drive generates a search behavior to find particular goal that, if attended with satisfy the need and reduce the tension. Organization goal. The formation of goal in the organization is desired target achieved by someone. Goals have their own characteristics. Identify the characteristic of a goal. An individual can evaluate quality and effectiveness that will be gained from the goal that will be accomplished.